The time I decided to give up looking for the one, you suddenly appeared out of the blue. God sent you to heal me from brokenness, hopelessness. And for that, I thank God for the greatest gift and that I receive, and that is you. You are my literal answer plane.
Very kind and very maganda. Today, very happy, very aku like nobody, very like love, very together today.
Soon, you will be father, fighting, work hard. I love you so much, and then hope you not change. I'm always here for you, whatever happened. That's it.
아플 때 챙겨주고 먼저 찾아와 주는 거에서 느꼈습니다.
Congratulations! Inaasahan ko na gagampanan mo ang iyong tungkulin bilang magulang, anak, magiging anak at ang isentro niyo sa inyong buhay ay si Jesucristo. Yan lang po at best wishes.
Thank you. Diniligan mo agad ako. Thank you for giving me another angel.
And the morning speaks to these open dreams, and we're right where we belong. I'll go anywhere with you in the sunlight or underneath the moon.
Night, thank you so much. Dahil wala ako dito ngayon kung wala kayo. Lagi niyong tatandaan, may sarili man akong pamilya, andito pa rin ako para sa inyo.
결혼 전에 많이 싸웠는데 결혼하고 나서는 잘 살았으면 좋겠고 못해준 거 결혼하면은 2배, 3배로 더 잘해줄게. 고맙고 너무 사랑해.
Hi, Minsayam. Thank you for everything. Thank you for accepting me for who I am. Hopefully, you're happy today. Finally, this is it. Sarang.
I'll go anywhere with you in the sunlight or underneath the moon. All we have is enough. Take my hand, darling, we were born to run. It's all waiting for us.
Ako'y masaya at hindi kayo nakatagpo ng totoo sa iyo. Sana maging maganda ang iyong buhay pa.
Knew we'd get here from the start. Knew we'd get here from the start.
서울은 많이 좋아하는데 그냥 자존심 때문에 맨날 많이 안 좋아하는 척하고 해서 미안하고 사랑해.
Jackie, starting today and for the rest of my life, I promise to be your shelter in the midst of the storm, your source of love and comfort, and from this day forward, you shall not walk alone. Saranghe.
It's all waiting